Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel, well, answering a question that you have left me: how much can you circulate with mayonnaise in the expansion vessel? You know, mayonnaise, which is oil mixed with antifreeze liquid. Well, nothing. The answer is nothing. The moment you see that there is oil in the expansion vessel, even if it is a small amount, you stop the vehicle and take it on a crane. Do not move it. You take it by crane to your workshop. Trust. To find out where that oil comes from, what is the fault? Because it could be a simple fault of the oil water cooler, that this is a fault that in the end could be a few €100, as it would be the radiator, more cleaning of the system, because what happens is that in the end, if that paste, that mayonnaise is made, this will cause the engine not to cool, it will clog the radiator, etc. That breakdown of hundreds of euros can already lead to more than €1,000. If we start talking about the cylinder head gasket, the engine cannot cool and the cylinder head can deform, and if the cylinder head is deformed we are already talking about much more money still. Another thing, that sooner or later that oil, just as it gets to mix in the expansion vessel with the water, and sooner or later it will reach the crankcase. The crankcase arrives and through the oil pump it will suck it, and what it will do is that the engine will flue. Because the engine needs oil to lubricate itself, and if it has water it will not be able to do that function and it will scream, and if it catches flue, we are already talking about a complete engine, and we are already talking about several €1,000. In fact, the vehicle sometimes it is no longer worth fixing it and it can end up in the scrapyard. As I say, a breakdown that can be a few €100, sometimes a few €100 can turn into a very expensive breakdown. Well, here you have the video. If it has been useful, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel.